children, a very warm welcome to Indoor Learning Academy. Children, today we are going to start with a new chapter. So let's begin the chapter. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. Listen and enjoy this story. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. One day, they went to the forest. They came to the river, they did not know how to cross it. The shoe said, "Bubble, let us float on you." So what is this first paragraph telling us? The first paragraph is telling us that once upon a time, एक समय में there were three friends. कितने friends हैं? Three friends. And what are the names of the friends? A bubble, a straw and a shoe. क्या नाम है बेटा friends के? There are three friends. Bubble, a straw and a shoe. Now you can see this is a bubble, this is a straw and this is a shoe. One day they went to the forest. एक दिन वो कहाँ पे जाते हैं? They go to the forest. Now children, what is this forest? Forest का मतलब होता है जंगल. ये सारे तीन friends एक दिन कहाँ पे जाते हैं? They go to the forest. They came to the river. They did not know how to cross it. Now what is river? Can you see this? This is the river. River मतलब नदी. So ये सारे तीन friends कहाँ पे जाते हैं? They go to the forest. Now what do you mean by forest? Forest का मतलब होता है जंगल. They came to the river. वो river के किनारे आके खड़े हो जाते हैं. Can you see this? They did not know how to cross it. And उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि इसको कैसे पार करना है. The shoe said, who is shoe here? This is the shoe. Now let us see what is the shoe telling you. The shoe said, Bubble, let us float on you. अब ये बोलता है कि मैं तुम्हारे पर बैठ के ये रिवर पार कर दूंगा. Let's see what happens in the next page. No shoe. Let straw stretch himself from one bank to other. No, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? What is he telling here? वो शू को मना कर रहा है. नहीं नहीं, तुम मेरे पे मत बैठो, एक काम करते हैं, straw को लेते हैं. Where is the straw? This is the straw. You can see in this figure. This is the straw. So what happens here in the next page? Let straw stretch himself from one bank to other. Then we can cross the river. अब ये क्या बोल रहा है? What do you mean by bank? Bank मतलब किनारा. अब उनको इस किनारे से इस किनारे जाना था. पहले उन्होंने ये सोचा था कि वो शू के ऊपर बैठेंगे, बबल के ऊपर बैठेंगे, फिर उन्होंने बोला कि स्ट्रॉ के ऊपर बैठेंगे, बट वो लोग stretch himself from one bank to other, then we can cross the river. So the straw stretch himself. Can you see in this figure? Can you see this? Straw ने क्या किया? He has stretched himself from one bank to another. From one bank to another. What is bank? Bank मतलब किनारा. Can you see? This is one corner of the river and this is the other corner of the river. So the straw stretched himself from one bank to other. When the shoe jumped, जैसे ही shoe jump करता है, when the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. Can you see? जैसे ही shoe straw पे बैठता है, straw क्या करता है? Straw टूट जाती है. जैसे ही shoe straw पे बैठता है तो वो टूट जाता है. Can you see this? Straw कैसे टूट जाता है? It broke. Now what do you mean by broke? Broke का मतलब होता है टूटना. The shoe fell into the water. Can you see? Shoe पानी में गिर जाता है. Now what do you mean by fell? Fell का मतलब होता है गिरना. Into the water with a loud splash. Now what is loud? Loud मतलब जोर से. And what is splash? What is splash? Splash का मतलब होता है जब आप पानी में चप चप करते हो. That sound is called as splash. The bubble shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. So bubble क्या करता है? उसको बहुत जोर से हंसी आने लग जाती है. So he shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. Now let's see what is in the next page. Now children, what are the new words that we learnt in this chapter? Bank. What do you mean by bank? Bank का मतलब होता है किनारे. Bubble. What is bubble? Bubble बनाते हो ना बेटा आप लोग पानी में थोड़ा सा सोप डाल के. That is called as bubble. And burst मतलब फटना. Cross मतलब पार करना. River मतलब नदी. Shoes मतलब जो shoes हम लोग पहनते हैं दो. Splash means जो चप चप साउंड आता है. That is called as splash. Now let's read this. I can blow bubbles. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? मैं bubbles ब्लो कर सकता हूँ. I can wear shoes. मैं shoes पहन सकता हूँ. Is it clear? Is this page clear? Shall I explain you once again? न्यू वर्ड, सबसे पहले बैंक, बबल, burst, cross, river, shoes and splash. Let's read. I can blow bubbles. मैं bubbles को blow कर सकता हूँ. I can wear shoes. मैं shoes पहन सकता हूँ. Let's go to the next page, children. Reading is fun. Name the three friends. Name the three friends. Let us see. कौन कौन से three friends थे यहाँ पे? A bubble, a straw and a shoe. So what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this one? The three friends are a bubble, a straw and a shoe. Now let us go for the second question. Where did they go one day? कहाँ पे जाते हैं वो? Let us see कहाँ जाते हैं वो? Anybody? They go to the forest. They went to the forest. Their three friends went to the forest. What did they want to do? They wanted to cross the river. उनको क्या करना था? They wanted to cross the river. Now let's read this. How do you make bubbles? Bubbles कैसे बनाते हैं? We take some water, we add some soap in that and then we mix it up. Finally bubble आता है. Then हम उसको straw से लेके फूंकते हैं. What do you wear on your feet? Feet में क्या पहनते हैं? Slippers भी पहनते हैं, bellies भी पहनते हैं, sandals भी पहनते हैं, shoes भी पहनते हैं. How would you cross a river? अगर आप उनकी जगह रहते तो आप रिवर कैसे क्रॉस करते? शूज पहन के. सॉरी, यू कैन क्रॉस रिवर विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ बोट. रिवर कैसे क्रॉस करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ बोट. नाउ लेट्स डू दिस. Put these doing words into the sentences. Jumped, shook, stretched and burst. So first one. The straw dashed himself from one bank to the other. So what is the answer for the first one? The answer for the first one is the straw stretched himself from one bank to other. Now let us go for the second one. The shoe dashed on the straw. Shoe dashed on the straw. So what is the answer for this? The answer for this is the shoe jumped on the straw. Now let us move for the third one. The bubble dashed and dashed with laughter and dashed with a big bang. So what is the answer here? The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. So children, please complete this in your book. Very neatly, you can take help from your parents or your brothers, sisters or anybody from your elders. Let's move to the next page. Now here are the question answers. We can discuss some of the question answers. Name the three friends. The three friends are bubble, a straw and a shoe. Name the three friends. The three friends are a bubble, a straw and a shoe. Where did they go one day? One day they went to the forest. कहाँ जाते वो एक दिन? Forest. So what is the answer for second one? The answer for the second one is one day they went to the forest. Now let us go for the third question. What did they want to do? They wanted to cross the river. क्या करना था उनको? उनको रिवर पार करनी थी. But did not know how to do it. पर उनको पता ही नहीं था कि कैसे क्रॉस करना है. So children, you can do this. You can write this in your notebook with the help of a pencil. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. Let's draw. Trace the journey of a tadpole. So this is a puddle. Can you see the arrow from here? So let us start from here. We'll go very slowly and very neatly. There is nothing to rush about. जहाँ पे डॉट्स बना है उसके ऊपर से हम लोग ट्रेस करेंगे. एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर डूइंग इट वेरी नीटली एंड वेरी वेरी स्लोली. सो सी, दिस इज अ puddle, this is a pond, this is a lake, this is a river. Finally, I am a frog now. Let's move to the next page. Draw the bubbles, trace and say the letters around. So what is this? A. A says A. A says A. Let us trace B. B says B. B says B. Let us go for the C. Make sure that you are making it very neatly and very very slowly. C says K. Now let us go for D. This is D says D. D says D. D says D. Clear? Now E says A. This is E says A. F says F. F says F, fan, fish. G says goat. G says G, goat. H says H. Okay. Next is your I, and this is your J. J says J. Now children, do this activity in your book with the help of your pencil. Now let us move to the next page. Match the balls with the numbers. Now trace the numbers. So let us start counting the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balls we have here? We have 7 balls. Where is 7? Yes, this is a 7. So let us trace it again very neatly and very slowly. Now let us move to the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where is number 8? This is number 8. This is your number 8. Okay? So we'll match. This is already done. So I'm not going to put a mark here. Now let us count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let us count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Where is number 9? This is number 9. So let us match it. Now last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where is number 10? This is number 10. Now let us trace this. Okay, this becomes your number 10. So children, please do this also with the help of the pencil, and you can take help from your elders as well. Let us move to the next page. Think time. Look at these objects, put them into a tub of water, say which one will float and which one will sink. Now what is float and what is sink? Float मतलब जो ऊपर रह जाता है, ठीक है, and sink मतलब जो नीचे settle हो जाता है. तो I am doing 1, feather. Let us start reading this. Ribbon, feather, marble, leaf, stone, stick, paper, straw, shoes and spoons. So I think so children, you can do this by yourself. So let us go to the next page. Now learn to write. Draw the well, color it and say the rhyme aloud. Now where are the dotted lines? So let us start from here. Again you have to trace this. Make sure that you are making it very neatly and very slowly. See, you have to make it very slowly and you have to touch all the dots. And please make sure that you are doing it with the pencil. Don't use pens for this. Children, please don't use pens for this, okay? Make it very neatly and very slowly. Now, this is a well. Let us join these also, okay? And after that, you can color of your own choice. What are we doing? We are joining the lines so that we can make a well. Now children, what is well? Well का मतलब होता है कुआं. क्या रहता है कुआं में? पानी. So I'll just tell you. This is the well. You have to join all the dots and make sure that you are doing it very neatly and very clean with the help of a pencil. Children, no need to use the pens in your books. Okay. So this is the well. And you can color also. Okay. Now let us sing this song. Sing. A bell fell in the well. A bell fell in the well. Ding dong bell. Let us repeat again. A bell fell in the well. Ding dong bell. So that's all for today children.